Hi, just a short video to show the condition of this Eufy RoboVac G10 hybrid robot vacuum cleaner. So it comes in full working order, comes with the official power supply and dock, and then the actual vacuum cleaner itself. The bin has been cleaned. On the bottom is an on and off switch. There's the, if I can focus, serial number. It's all cleaned on the bottom. If I turn it on, now it might catch on this, but I'll turn it on.
Well, it appears I'd best get to work. Let's take a little break.
So it's fully working. It is Wi-Fi enabled. You can download an app. I'll try and find the manual and link it in the listing. You can change the voice on it. You can do software updates via the app. Yeah, it's in good working order, nice and clean. Any questions at all, please ask. Thank you.